Turbo makes us happy, man, and fast. Turbo, I should... Okay, go, 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 go! Yeah! You jump, that's the best jump, man. Yeah, let's go. Look at him, man. I'm checking you out. Funny, man. Funny. Hey guys, we gotta do something like that. I saw on...
Dino, did you record the stream?
Everything is recorded every time. Yeah. But you know, H1Z, I'm playing so much this that I can't even find those moments. I can't find them, man. It's like 8-hour stream, You can't even find that, man, when you're like searching, Yeah, but there's not happening so much, so I could make some videos, Usually I'm dying all the time.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen in future.
Yeah, I hope. I have to find team,
Okay, yeah.
And I have to know what am I.
Somebody shoot us.
Okay.
Dude, you shot me, man.
No!
Oh my god, you dead?
Sorry guys, I killed everybody. I killed everybody. I killed everybody, guys. I killed 2 of them. Hello?
Yeah, you
killed me?
Shit! Shit, I killed you! No! And I bleed out. Oh my god! I killed you! Who I killed? Who did I kill? I killed you, both of you. Are you serious? I killed you. No! Oh my god! I killed you! No! I killed. Are you serious? No, I didn't kill you guys. I just went out, there were guys and they were shooting, I was shooting them, man. Oh shit, I killed you, oh no! Oh my fucking god. Oh, look, there's the third guys now. Pička ti mater, now you're coming here, I killed my friends, mamu ti jebem. Fuck, guys.